Hey man, what you doing tonight? You want to go out? Nope, I'm racing Jellybird eggs on the treadmill. Happy Easter, everyone! Ever race a jelly bean on a treadmill? Time. No idea what's going to happen here. We got black, white, orange, purple, green, red, and pink. And yellow. -1, I'm going to eat that. Today's tip: never eat jelly beans as the commentator. Let's roll, jelly beans. What colors you pick to win? Purple's at the disadvantage. Bye, yellow. I feel like this is a giant game of Marble Madness. Oh, white off the front, off my foot. Not sure I'll eat that one later. There goes an orange one. Off the front. Few off the back, another one off my foot. One purple left, pink, yellow, black, white. Just lost a black off the front. Lost another black. White one disappeared somewhere. 4 colors left. Nope. 1, 2, 5 colors left. Although technically black is not a color. 4 colors and black left. And there goes purple. There goes black. Down to 3 colors. These jelly beans are holding in a lot longer than I thought they were gonna. Did you know to get the shiny finish on jelly beans, they polish them in just this manner? Maybe not on a treadmill, but kind of close to it. 2 yellow, 2 pink, and an orange. And down to 1 yellow. I'm going to turn up the speed a little bit. Here comes the orange one. Does he hop off the front? Nope. Slow down enough. He's not really orange, or he's not really that round. And no, orange went to the back edge and still survived. He's not really rolling. He's kind of skidding his way. Oh, there he goes off the back. Down to 2. Yellow and pink. Pink and yellow. Pink in the lead. Now yellow in the lead. Now pink in the lead. Pink is out. And all of a sudden there's another yellow one on the track. And he's gone. Whoop. Yellow jelly bean wins. Great race.